Okay, so apparently there is this one word that will make your ex obsessed with you again. And look, I have tried manifesting with pennies, I have whispered to my houseplants, I have done the whole scripting in my notes app at 3 a.m. thing. But this actually worked, and I'm kinda shook about it. So if you are ready for some potentially life-changing weirdness, let's dive in. First off, you clicked on this video, we are the same person. You have got manifestation TikToks on your FYP. You have definitely googled how to get your ex back at 2 a.m. And yeah, I see you judging this title. One word? Really? What is next? Manifesting with a magic 8-ball? Trust me, I was skeptical too. But here is the thing about us spiritual weirdos. We try stuff even when it sounds absolutely unhinged. Because what if, just what if, the universe actually listens? The ritual needs 3 things you definitely have: a mirror, your phone, and literally just water. No crystals, no sage, no $200 candles from Urban Outfitters. Just you being slightly ridiculous and maybe creating actual magic. Let us talk about why your ex is not texting you back. And no, it is not because Mercury is in microwave or whatever. Every time you send those "Hey stranger" texts, every time you like their Instagram story from 47 weeks ago, you're basically sending them an energy text that says, I am desperate and you have all the power. And look, I get it. I have been there. I once sent a paragraph explaining my feelings that was longer than my college essay. Spoiler alert, that did not work. Now, you're probably thinking, but what if they think I'm being manipulative? Here is the thing. This is not manipulation. This is about shifting your energy first. What if there was one word that could flip the script, make them wonder about you for once? What if this word could hack their brain without being weird about it? Alright, here is the ritual. And yes, I am aware how this sounds. But I'm gonna walk you through exactly what I did. Step 1, mirror time. Go look at yourself in the mirror. But do not look at post-breakup me who cries during Olivia Rodrigo songs. Look at the version of you from when they were obsessed. You know that person existed. Channel that energy. Feel it, be it, even if you feel silly. Embrace the silly. Step 2, water ritual. Grab a glass of water and okay, this part's gonna sound absolutely unhinged. Hold the water. Think about feeling desired and chosen. Whisper their name to the water. Then whisper. Remember. Then drink it like you are absorbing confidence from the universe. I felt ridiculous doing this, not gonna lie. Step 3, the text. Open your messages. Type only this. Remember, ? But here is the key part. Send it like you already know they are thinking about you. Not like you are hoping. Like you know, then put your phone on silent and go touch some grass or something. Now, here is where it gets actually interesting. Remember is not asking them to think about the past. It's asking their subconscious, how did I forget how good we were? And I know what you're thinking. This is just psychology and with extra steps. Maybe it is, but psychology works. The word bypasses all their logical, we break up for a reason thoughts. It hits them right in the feelings and Feelings don't care about logic. They just care about connection. Plus, and hear me out on this. What if our thoughts actually do shape reality? What if that glass of water thing is not complete nonsense? What if intention actually matters? Wild concept, I know, but what if you are worried they will think you are being cringe? Look, they are truly done. One word won't change that. But if there is any part of them that misses you, this word will find it. So here is where this gets weird. This girl tried it, got a response in 9 minutes. Another person broke 3 weeks of silence with one text. Someone else got that word made me feel something I cannot explain. And look, maybe it is coincidence, maybe it is psychology, maybe Mercury finally got out of the microwave. But when I tried this, my ex texted me 2 hours later. Yeah, 2 hours after weeks of nothing. And honestly, I'm still processing that. Because either the universe is playing some elaborate prank or this stuff actually works. And I don't know which options scares me more. Look, I cannot promise this will work for everyone. Maybe your ex is truly moved on. Maybe they are just not that into manifestation energy. But if you are already here watching videos about texting your ex, you might as well try this weird spiritual route. What is the worst that could happen? You drink some water and send one text, and hey, even if it does not work, at least you will stay hydrated, right? If you are ready to potentially blow your own mind, comment. Remember, subscribe if you want more "this sounds fake but actually worked" content. Because honestly, the universe might just be weirder than we think. And sometimes weird thing works.